Hello friends, today in this live stream we will be talking about how to build basically a desktop application inside Python using the Tkinter framework, where we allow the user to basically encrypt the PDF documents using basically add a password. So we have this application right here, guys. This is the demo that I'm showing you. We have a simple select PDF button out there. If I hit this button, I will be able to select any PDF document. If I go to my this one, let's suppose I want to encrypt this file user certificate. This is just a one page PDF document, and if I select this PDF document, I will be redirected to enter a password. You will see enter password for encryption. So let's suppose I write a password here. Let's suppose hello, and click on OK. And now I will be redirected to save this encrypted file where I need to save this. And let's suppose I save it inside my documents directory, and I just say password and click on save. And now your file will be automatically opened, guys. You will see password.pdf, which is stored inside document. It will ask for the password. If I provide wrong password, you will see check your password, it is incorrect. Let me provide the correct password and click on open file. Let's suppose I provide here password something, sorry, our password was hello. So now if I click open, so our PDF file is open right here, guys. So this is a very simple Tkinter desktop application. You select your PDF document wherever it is stored, and then you need to enter the password like this, and then click on OK. Then you save your PDF file right here, and then it will open automatically. You will see that. So now you just need to enter the password that you, if the password is incorrect, then it will show this message to you. So this will be the application, guys, we will be building in this tutorial. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. So if you want the full source code, you can go to the blog post where I have given all this source code in the description of the video. So now let's get started. So I will delete this source code and start from scratch. So the very first thing we need to do, guys, for this application, we need to import the Tkinter framework. So right here at the top, we will say from Tkinter, we need to import everything. And then from Tkinter, we need to import the file dialog and also the simple dialog. And from Tkinter, we also need to import TTK, which is a theme. And for this, we will need the operating system and also PyPDF2. This is the module, guys, which we will make use of to encrypt the PDF documents. So just install this by pip command, pip install pypdf2. So I have already installed it. So now after basically importing all these, we just need to start the basic Tkinter application TK. We will give it a title that PDF encryptor, and then basically we will show this application, guys, by calling root.main loop. You can even set the size, guys. Let's suppose you want to set the width of the uh, let's if you just basically launch this application python app.py, your application will launch here. You will see this is the file here, a simple window PDF encryptor. And after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to create the mainframe here, which will hold all the stuff, TTK, and it contains a frame widget. We will place it inside the root and we will give it a padding of 20 like this. And inside the mainframe, we will use the grid system and we will place it at column 0, row 0, and it will stick. There is a sticky property here. It will stick it right here. Row is equal to 0 and sticky. And we will use this property, which is ns new. So this surround need to be like this, ns ew. And now we just need to create a label, guys, where we will allow the user to select. So we will have select PDF label. So we will use the label widget which is present. We will place it inside the main frame, and the text will simply say to the user that select the PDF file to encrypt, like this. Select PDF label, and we will place it inside the grid system, grid, and here we will give it the column 0, and row is will also be 0, and it will stick. The sticky portion will be equal to W. It will stick. And now, guys, we will basically create similarly the button as well. So select PDF button, and for this we will use the button widget. So inside this button widget, guys, we will place it inside the main frame, and the text will be simply select PDF. And also it takes a command, guys. Basically, let me just show you. This button will be placed here if I run this. So this is the label that you can see right here, and but we also need to place this button as well using the grid system. You will see we are placing it in the first column, row 0. You will see that. So this is our button right here. If you click it, nothing happens. We need to basically have this command here. So whenever you click this button, what should happen? So we will make a function here which will be encrypt underscore PDF. So now we need to define this function. So right here, guys, at the very top, we will define this function, which will be a simple function, encrypt underscore PDF. Inside this function, guys, we will basically ask the user to select the PDF file for which we just need to encrypt. You will use the file dialog class, and inside this it takes a option, sorry, method ask open file name, and you can even provide an initial directory here which will be like this. Title will be select PDF file, and we will only accept the PDF file, so we will provide a file types like this. This is dictionary we are providing PDF files, and for this we will only target the PDF files. So here we will stay star.pdf, and then we will also have all files as well. So if you want to show it, if you don't want to show it, then you can eliminate this. So what will happen here, if you run this application now, it is saying it was not closed. Let me just see, close it. If you click it, I think we also need to provide all the extensions. So just paste this code here. So now we will be able to select here. Let me just tab here, just indent this so that no error has take place. If you run this project right here, so if you click this button, you will be able to select your PDF files, and also there will be all files button as well. And then, guys, we will basically, if the user has selected a valid file, then we will have a simple if condition here inside this script. If the file path is correct, in that case, we will basically show an input dialog to the user where they can enter the password. Again, we will use simple dialog, and it contains a method which is simple dialog asks string. So here we will simply show a window to the user where they can enter the password. So enter password for encryption. And the third option, guys, basically the show option. This will be star, that's all. And now if the password is correct, in that case, if password contains something, then we will show basically the output directory where the user needs to save the output file. So you will say ask save as file name, and here basically initial directory will be operating system.path expand user, and inside this we will use this symbol, and here we will basically concatenate the directory which we need to say. We will directory name will be /documents. You can change this directory accordingly, but initial directory will be documents, and then we will give it a property title. So we will say save encrypted file, and then we will say initial file is equal to .pdf. This is for the extension. Sorry, this is slightly complicated, so I will simply paste it here. This takes a lot of options, this method. So if I format this document, guys, you will see it is taking the first of all this title, file types as well, and then it is taking the file name. You will see that. So if you just refresh this application, guys, if you select your PDF document, then it will show you this password here where you can enter the password, and then it will show this directory. So here you can enter the output file name. If you click save, nothing happens. So now what we need to do is that after the output file path is valid, in that case, inside this basically we will have another if condition here. We will basically say if output file path is correct, in that case we need to open the input file path and inside read binary mode. So this stands for RB stands for read binary mode as input file, and here we will say PDF reader, and here we will use PyPDF2. It contains a method, guys, PDF file reader, and here we will pass the input file, and we will basically use this method which is PDF file writer. And for every page we will basically say for page num in range PDF reader dot num pages PDF writer dot add page. We will basically add this page, guys, which is PDF reader get page num, and here we will say PDF writer, and it contains a method, guys, which is encrypt. This library contains this method, guys, encrypt, and we will pass the password like this. This will encrypt this, and then we will open the output file, which is with the help of open method. So here we will include this write binary flag as output file, and then we will say PDF underscore writer, and we will use the write method to actually write the output file. That's all. And then, guys, we will call a simple method inside operating system which is start file. This will actually open the file, So we will open the file which is present inside output file path. That's all. So this completes your application, guys. So now if I reload this application, so if I select certificate PDF, put the password. Now if I save this, it will open this, guys. You will see. Now we need to enter the password. If it is incorrect, then it will say. If it is correct, you will see your PDF file will open. So now we have basically built out a simple Tkinter application, guys, which allows you to encrypt your PDF documents with password. All the source code is given in the description of the video, guys. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I will be seeing you in the next stream.